Another comment from Ben that I typically shy away from specifying contractor certifications in my documents because continuing education for contractors is almost non-existent in the USA. Are there programs offered outside of ABAA that can take up the slack so we can rest assured that we have knowledgeable contractors on our jobs rather than the I've done it this way for 30 years person?
That's a good point. So the thing that I've seen more recently is that you ask that contractor to be certified by that air barrier manufacturer. So directly after this, I'm moving into a virtual, which isn't my favorite, but I'm doing a virtual contractor certification, and it's for the actual installers, where the installers on that specific project, the architect has called out for that those installers need to be certified to use that specific manufacturer's barrier. And I really think that helps. While it doesn't mean anything because it's just a piece of paper, the hope is if the actual installer is there hearing how the detailing materials should be used, in which way, that we've clarified all these things, and they've had to slow down and take a quiz at the end to demonstrate that they know what they're doing. Typically, we see a better installation. So that might be one way you could look at it. At most manufacturers have a program like that for contractors to go through that they could offer. I'd like to see us get to a point where it's a hands-on installation, because that to me is like the best way to demonstrate someone knows how to use your materials. But that's a way that I've seen it happen, is manufacturers led, which honestly makes the most sense because every barrier goes on a bit different. You want to make sure they know how to use that specific one.